Alright, so I've been designing. Let's see if I can blow this up really quick. So the concept would be, let's say, see if you can see this. They go to the website or the application, and they'd see something like this. See if I can make it bigger. There we go. So they'd see something like this, and as the user, they can scroll up and see the different menu items, right? That they could, like, I'm just doing this as a demo. It's not really working with my fingers. I'm actually moving it with the mouse. But let's say you built a site and the user can scroll up, and you'd get a lineup of the comedians if you wanted to do like a subscription service or some sort of, you know, premium service or just exclusive content for the Vision Pro. They could look at the lineup here. And there's no menu or anything like that, just a quick demo, and then they scroll up and they see like another spatial video that they can interact with, maybe interviews or something that's, you know, just fun content. You know, maybe they can sign up for a subscription plan if you're doing this weekly, something that they can think about. Like you could have, you know, 1 tier, 2 tiers, 3 tier plan subscription service, you know, whatever that could be priced out as. And then they scroll up more, maybe you have like comedy shows that are not spatial video but just standard YouTube video that they could watch through here. Podcasts that they can listen to, you know, you have a guest comedian, and then that's it. So let me kind of show you what I was thinking. On this section, right, the user would go on to the website or go to the app, and they'd see, you know, a list of comedians, right? And they'd say, oh, I want to see Steph Mark. So they just look at that particular tile, and then if you can see, if I'm looking at it, it'll highlight around you and it'll bring you more into focus. Everyone else is a little darker, but it'll like highlight your image. And then this button right here changes to like, all right, if you notice that everything here said watch on Apple Vision Pro, this one says play spatial video, so you can play that. So if I, you know, select it, say I'm in my living room, it brings up the window, it's loading, and then now I can watch you in Times Square, but only, you know, the whole panoramic view of it. So if you had a list of other comedians, and say you just wanted to create an app and it's just like it's very minimalistic, you could actually, you know, move it around, look at the artist that you want, and then over here you might have a list of other artists that are going to be performing, and you can swipe through them and select them. That's sort of just the beginner phase of what the app could look like, what the site could look like. And of course, there are no platforms right now that are showing spatial videos outside of just building the platform within Vision Pro, or the users can go in here and download the content to their Vision Pro or stream it from I don't know, like a cloud, you know, storage that you'd house all this stuff into. That's the cheapest way to do it right now. It's like, you want access to this, you can play it, you can stream it, you can download it, but you got to pay. Or if you're doing it for free, you can just have them download the stuff just for all of this for promotion. Anyway, let me know your thoughts.